we're going to check
Haven't showered yet, but we're off to the town of Lunenburg. We're camping right in the middle, well, parking right in the middle of Lunenburg, and we're walking downtown to check it out and go have some supper and ice cream.
We're here at the Fisheries Museum, and we're going to try lobster for the first time. So Lux and I got the 1 1/4 pound lobster and some scallops. So hopefully we like it.
Have you ever had lobster before?
No, never.
Hold on.
I saw you here.
Because it's a messy meal, I guess.
It can be. There you go.
Oh, there's Daddy's bib.
And you want one too? Yeah, hold on, I'll get this on you here.
That's a giant bib, Ivy.
You could have some lobster too, Ivy? Look, Lux. There's our lobster.
Thank you. You're welcome. So, you can eat up all the muscles, and then get Dad to pick him up by the body,
Okay.
rip his arms off at the shoulder,
Okay.
and then you can eat all in here. It's already cracked open.
Okay.
And pull that off.
Yeah.
Don't eat the white cartilage, but there's some little meat in there.
Okay.
Use your nutcracker to these pieces here.
Okay.
When you're ready for the tail, pick them up by the body and twist it right off.
Okay.
And then Dad'll pop it open, and there's all kinds of meat in there.
So is there
Ready for that?
any part inside of it that we shouldn't eat?
The green goo up here,
Don't eat that.
optional. The brain is bad.
Okay, don't eat the brain.
Don't eat the brain.
Perfect. Oh, there's our meat. Okay, we're gonna put some in the hot butter.
You have to try it first. Do you like it?
Yeah, it's very yummy.
Can I poke in the shell now?
Yeah, you wanna try it? Okay.
Can I poke in the shell?
Yeah,
You can poke the lobster.
Poke the lobster, yeah, you can poke the lobster.
Can I taste it?
You wanna taste it? Sure.
No. I can't do it, Dad.
That's okay. Here, well, you gotta break them. You gotta eat this part first. Here, you wanna try this?
No.
Okay, Lux's turn, and then it's Ivy's turn.
I'll try it myself.
You wanna try muscle? Okay,
Okay,
you gotta
ready?
eat the inside
Here,
part.
Lux, try
You
the
wanna try it,
lobster.
Ivy? Try it. Is it yummy? Yum! Good lobster? What do you think? You want to try a little piece too, Lux? Here, try a tiny piece of the lobster. Okay, sure.
Do you like it, Ivy?
Yep. Try one bite. Yep. Do you like it?
No.
No. Are you gonna have any more of it?
But it's kind of yummy.
Do you want another piece?
I was feeling it fully.
How are you guys doing so
Yeah.
far?
Oh, fully in the butter. Okay. There.
That's why I like it.
Okay.
I'm
Yum.
slowly-
Is that good?
I'm ready to
Good.
Don't eat the big Dad.
The rest of this thing.
So fun fact about Mike, he doesn't like messy food. Like we never ever eat ribs at home or wings or anything. And a lobster is a very messy meal to eat, so this has been quite entertaining watching him eat lobster.
Quite the experience.
And he's staying quite clean.
I can't open it.
Alrighty, we're gonna open them up.
If this was lucky, it's not very lucky.
Alright, so
You can't eat the goo.
okay, so we're supposed to eat the gooey, or the goo part is optional apparently.
be hard to hear over the air condition, but we're heading to do some laundry today because we need to do laundry.
Hi.
Yeah, so we're gonna go find a laundromat in Lunenburg.
Yeah. We are.
Wash our stinky clothes.
Yeah. Yeah, my bottom. Number one. No, my. Number one.
Alright, done laundry. Had to hang some stuff.
Bye.
So we rigged up a clothesline.
See you soon.
Hopefully it holds up.
Bye.
And now we're off to
Step
Peggy's
on
Cove
the
and then
plane.
Halifax.